विवेक इंद्र कुमार जैन द्वारा शुरू किया गया एक छोटा सा इनिशिएटिव इंश्योरेंस अलर्ट आज एक विशाल मूवमेंट में तब्दील हो चुका है। भारत के कोने कोने से हजारों इंश्योरेंस एजेंट्स, इंश्योरेंस प्रोफेशनल्स सभी हर सुबह इंश्योरेंस अलर्ट्स के समाचार और शाम को उनके न्यूज़लेटर्स की राह देखते रहते हैं। मतलब 2 साल में ये इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा और एशिया का दूसरा सबसे बड़ा डेडिकेटेड इंश्योरेंस न्यूज़ प्लेटफॉर्म बन चुका है। और अब अगर इसी रफ्तार से चीजें चलती रही तो वो दिन बिल्कुल दूर नहीं जब पूरी दुनिया में सर्वश्रेष्ठ बन जाएगा।
Welcome to Insurance Alert Broadcast. I am Vivek Jain here, Editor-in-Chief. Today we are going to talk to Mr. Sandesh Mishra. Mr. Mishra is promoter of BIMA GARAGE. So let's talk to him. My first question to you, why you have named your company BIMA GARAGE?
So BIMA stands for insurance, and garage is a place wherein you go to get your car or scooter or anything repaired. So we are an organization which repairs your broken insurance or your claims. So that's why the name is BIMA Garage. Okay. So it's a company which repairs all your insurance and claims and everything.
Okay. And how do your company operates? Like what exactly you all are doing in the company?
So it is like the holistic thought is to integrate the healthcare ecosystem in Asia. So if you see the healthcare ecosystem, it still runs very traditionally, and it is not integrated. Everything is scattered. So if I give you an example, if I compare it with automotive industry, so in automotive you'll see there is a manufacturer, Maruti Suzuki India. Then they have their distributors who dealers who sell their car to the consumer. And this consumer, in return for his servicing of Maruti, he comes to the same distributor service station or a service station which is governed by Maruti. But if we relate same model to the healthcare industry in our country or insurance in our country, so there are manufacturers like insurance companies who are making products. Then there are distributors like advisors, banks, POS, web aggregators. So there are different models of selling insurance. They are distributors. These distributors go and sell an insurance policy to a retail customer or to a corporate. And then this customer, for any claims, any services. So what services insurance offers? It is just that if he experiences a claim, that is the product offering to the customer. But here is a twist. When he goes to for taking the service, he doesn't goes to a insurance company. He goes to the hospital, who is the service provider in case of Mediclaim insurance. So when he goes to an hospital, that hospital is not governed by insurance company. He is not governed by any of the distributors who are selling insurance, and hospital and doctors are the most elite people, considered the most elite people in our country. So their modus operandi is totally different. And when the insurance is sold to this customer, the advisor or the distributor, he adds something from his side other than the product offering. He adds ki whenever there is a claim, I am there, you are having such and such coverage, there would be a red carpet in hospital for you for getting the cashless. But that doesn't happen in reality. So while working for so many years on sales side of insurance, so this was our experience ki whatever is told is not delivered on the field, on the service side. So we always wanted to start a company which is only into servicing of insurance and no sales, no cross sales. So we can work in a very unbiased format for any of the company, and we can work for the betterment of customer and integration of healthcare ecosystem in our whole Asia. So this is the larger picture, why we started, what is the product offering. What we do is that we go to hospitals and we meet their owners and ask them to outsource their cashless desk to us. Am I audible?
Yeah.
So we ask them to outsource this desk to us. We appoint our trained officer over there. The designation of that trained manpower is smile officer. So the first, why smile officer? The first thing is, whenever an insurance patient visits an hospital, he greets him like he is visiting some good hotel. So that is the biggest missing thing. Whenever a insurance patient visits an hospital, the person sees him as a burden. कि अगर ये कैश का पेशेंट होता तो I would have been at ease. उसका प्री ऑथ फॉर्म नहीं भरना होता, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के साथ फॉलो अप नहीं करना होता, लॉट मेनी थिंग्स आर इन्वॉल्व. सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी डू. सो फ्रॉम welcoming the patient till the hospital receives its payment, this whole scheme of events is taken care by us. So there is a front face who is sitting there, then there is a backend team, operations team, doctors team, which sits at our HO. We have a call center, dedicated number. So this is our first product offering that we do, which is, we call it as BG desk. So for this BG desk, we charge hospital on monthly basis.
Okay.
Any questions on this?
No, that's fine. How many hospitals you have?
So we have in totality around 76 hospitals with us. And
in Mumbai?
We are operational in Mumbai. We have around 23 or 24 hospitals as of now.
Which are the ones like?
And other than Mumbai, yeah, pardon?
Any big hospitals in that?
No. So as per our strategy, we are going for mid-sized hospital, which are around 150 and 100 bedded hospitals, because they are more what to say,
open to these ideas.
Open to these ideas. The bigger ones are like, they are very much, and to crack them is also not that easy, because there are 7-8 people involved. It is not one person owned hospital. So if I want to go to Eleven and close it, so any employee working there cannot close it. I need to meet the owner. So
trustees and all that.
Yeah, all trustees and everybody. So just to tell you, we have recently started Bharti Arogya Nidhi on this Ville Parle, if you have seen.
Yeah, I know that.
Behind. So we have started last month only. We have started.
Okay. So this is your one model. Another one?
Another one is the recent offering which we launched during the pandemic. So it was like when COVID came in, so many smaller hospitals got closed. Because government policies were not clear how to operate, what is the modus operandi. So they were in panic and they thought that business nahi ho raha hai, so it's better to close hospital for a few months, then they'll start again. So during this time, we thought that our product is a B2B product. The BIMA GARAGE desk product is a B2B product. So B2B ka jo speed hota hai, speed of expansion is slow, because it's an institutional sales, and that to an hospital. So we thought we should come up with something which is a B2C as well. So then the product was born. Its name is Hobnob.
His name is what?
Hobnob.
Okay.
So Hobnob means a community of elite people. So we consider that all doctors are elite. All people who are working in insurance on CEO and actuarial and doctors, claim processors and all those, they consider themselves to be the elite section of our society. So we thought let's bring them all on one platform for the benefit of customer. So this is how we named it Hobnob, and this was the best product to come out of our organization. And the offering of this product is that if you are having any insurance out of the 4 insurance, like health insurance, life insurance, accidental policy, and overseas travel. So if you have any of the 4 products or multiple policies of these 4 products, you can be our customer. You have to register. We will send you a link. You need to register on that link, and post your registration. You will upload your policy documents. Once you upload your policy documents, I will send you a KYP. So this is our first offering, which is Know Your Policy. So my KYP team would be scanning your policy document, sending you a report, a dashboard, which you can view on your mobile phone as well as on your email, which would give you a clear-cut understanding about your policy offering, the benefits, and whether the sum insured is appropriate, what are the sub-limits, is there any co-payment, what kind of a room you can take. So all these things are covered in that KYP. So it's a simpler version for any person who is not from insurance background. He can also understand what are the. So that's the first point. Second one is cashless assistance. So there are lot many times people face lot many difficulties during their cashless at hospital. What they do is either they call their advisor or they call the branch of the insurance company, and that is the modus operandi over there. So but वो वहाँ से उतनी fast solution नहीं मिलता उनको. So if they are our Hobnob customers, they can call on our toll-free number, which is 844-844-158. He'll call on that number, and our cashless assistance guy, he'll assist him with all the queries. So his journey would start from again pre-authorization and end on his discharge. So till that time, my cashless assistance buddy would be buddy to him, to the customer. This is one part of cashless assistance. Second part is if it's a BIMA Garage desk and Hobnob customer visits there.
Yeah.
So for him, if it is a planned surgery, then he can process his cashless sitting at his home. Yeah. And if it is like unplanned surgery and he visits there, my guy sitting there is already having all his data. He'll process his cashless without, and he'll be there, physically there till the time of his discharge, available to service him. So this is the second offering in that product. Third one is a very big pain area, the reimbursement doorstep service for reimbursement. So if you see, almost 100% of cases are reimbursement cases as well. So 50% तो वैसे reimbursement है. बचे हुए जो cashless होते हैं, उनमें भी there is a pre-hospitalization, post-hospitalization and benefits, which are many a times not claimed by the customer.
Yeah.
Because he thinks कि हाँ 50,000 रुपए cashless हो गया, ठीक है. I am discharged from the hospital, the hospital के bills pay हो गए, खत्म हो गई बात. But he can get that pre and post hospitalization reports done, claim as well. So whenever there is a reimbursement claim, customer has to call on our call center number and register his claim. Within 24 hours, I'll send my claims officer to his house, customer's house. He'll go there, he'll fill his claim form, get his signature done, collect all the documents. Customer would get a acknowledgement on his phone ki 81 documents collected. How many documents are scanned, that too he'll get. He'll bring that file to my office. He'll scan that file, upload it into server, and then we'll courier that file on our cost to the insurance company's claims hub directly, not to any local branch. It will directly go to the claims hub. The cost would be beared by BIMA Garage for the courier. So this is the third service that we offer, which we call as doorstep reimbursement service. Now the fourth one, that is iRecords. So the documents which were scanned and uploaded on server, they are converted as iRecords. So now at one place, you have all your policy documents stored. At the same place, you have all your claims documents stored. तो आपको अपनी कोई अलमारी की जगह उन फाइलों को रखने के लिए यूज नहीं करनी है, या उनकी कोई टेक केयर नहीं करनी है. So lot many times you will see कि LIC के पास एक बहुत बड़ा corpus है, which is an unclaimed amount which is lying with LIC for life insurance claims. Why it is lying with LIC? Because people who have taken the insurance are no more there in this world, and their families are not aware about कि they had bought an insurance policy. So if he is an Hobnob registered customer, then उसे अपनी family को सिर्फ एक link दे देनी है, एक number दे देना है कि in case of any uncertainty, if I am not there, they are the people who will be there to get your claims without any charges. So that's the fourth feature, iRecords. And the last one is optimization of claims. So third में हमने देखा कि pre, post, daily cash benefits. There are a lot of benefits which are not claimed by a customer. And insurance company will never come and say कि आपने ये 5,000 रुपए claim नहीं किए.
क्यों नहीं किए?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं किए? So we'll optimize his claim. So if it is in 1 lakh rupees ka claim, he may get 1,10,000 rupees if that claim is processed through our team. So this is Hobnob.
Fantastic. But in case of cashless, okay, suppose I go to a hospital which already has a TPA desk or the cashless desk, and I'm not getting, I'm your member also. So,
right.
So what happens? Basically, I go to him or I go to you first?
So you'll go to him, and then you will inform me.
Okay. So
So
you
yeah,
will then follow up with the hospital and all that.
and the TPA and the insurance company. So once the case comes to my team, then I'll do all the follow-ups.
Okay. So basically, I'm going to a hospital asking for the cashless. Because hospital is first, that is where you are going first, and then inform
Right.
you also. So you are going to take up from there.
Right.
Okay. You charge anything for these services?
So this product is just rupees 99 rupees annual subscription for an
Okay.
adult and 49 rupees for child.
For child.
That's the only charge for child. Yeah.
Okay. Fantastic. Very reasonable, I think.
Yeah. So it's like free for him. Matlab, why we have kept these charges is because we don't want to add unnecessary database on our server. So it should not be like कि free है
Ah,
तो इकट्ठा हो गया types. So
okay. Fantastic.
that's why these charges are kept.
Okay. Okay. So how many members you have under this platform?
Pardon?
How many members you have already made in this platform?
Already we are around 2,500 odd members we have registered. So we have launched this product just 3 months back.
Okay.
And now we are doing a very big media campaign as well around it. So on 15th, we are launching the application. So currently this product is done through a website, means there is a link wherein
Okay.
you go and register. So it was like a POC. So we were doing it through link and website, and our IT team was into the process of building up the application. So on Makar Sankranti, would be launching the application with first 3 features, and we are doing a social media campaign and some TVC around it. So then it would be, and we are trying to do a strategic campaign for Mumbai. So we'll be taking lot many space in Mumbai, and we'll be highlighting Hobnob.
Hello, great sir. It was nice talking to you.
Same here.
And
Your voice
thank
is
you.
breaking. Actually.
Yeah, thank you very much for your time and telling us about your company and how basically it operates. And I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It was nice talking to you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Namaste.
Namaskar.
You want to see the best videos of insurance industry and interviews with the CEOs, CMOs, COOs, CDOs of insurance companies, brokers, TPAs. There's only one way you can look it up to. That is Insurance Alerts broadcast channel on YouTube. So you better subscribe to our channel, you visit and get notified with all of our new videos on insurance.